Hi, my name is Labdhi Dhulia. Today, I want to share my ideas on the concepts clean price and dirty price. So, from where did this clean price and dirty price concepts come from? They came from bond. This clean price and dirty price, they are the two pricing methods which are used to calculate a bond. Now, what do you mean by clean price? Clean price is the price which does not include the accrued interest, and dirty price is the price which includes the accrued interest. The price that the bond buyer pays to the bond seller in the secondary market, including the accrued interest, is said to be dirty price. And the clean price, which does not include the accrued interest, is said to be published price. Now, if the seller demands the accrued interest on the trade date itself, it is said that the bond is trading on the dirty price. But if the seller does not demand anything like the accrued interest, then it is said that the bond is trading at the clean price. Now, let's take an example. If we have purchased a bond with a face value of, let's say, $1,000, and the interest rate is 4% annually, like the bond is for semi-annual basis. So, what I would say is the published price, that is the clean price, is $960. So, what happens is, when we calculate the bond, what happens is clean price is the published price, that is equal to $960. But what about the dirty price? So, coupon rate are semi-annual. As I previously mentioned, interest rate was 4%, correct? So, when the investor looking to purchase for a bond, he would receive a quote from a broker which includes the $960 price along with the accrued interest. If the broker would calculate the daily per diem interest, it has been accumulated. Let's say that the broker does not have a brokerage fee. What would happen then? Depending on the day, the investor would make the purchase on the accrued interest, and that would vary. So, if the investor bought a bond a day before the first coupon payment, that is for $920, what happens is it results in $19 accrued interest up to the date. So, the investor's bond price would be $979. How 979? It is the calculation of the clean price $960 plus the accrued interest, that is $19. So, the dirty price is $979. Thank you.